Hello guys and welcome to the 7th lecture of chapter functions. We were discussing about some standard real functions and till now we saw constant function, identity function and modulus function. Now is the time for exponential function. So f of x equals to a to the power x for all x belonging to R is your exponential function. This is defined for a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. Not many places are there where you will find a reason for this, but I'll give you one. So the domain of this function is R. Whatever be the value of x in R, this function is valid. And the range also, it goes from 0 to infinity. We'll see how. Since this a ranges from 0 to infinity except 1. First let's have a look why it can't be equal to 1. So if you put a equal to 1 here, whatever be the value of x, this f of x would always be equal to 1. That is not what you want. You want to measure how this function varies with the value of x. But if the right hand side goes 1, it's not varying with respect to x. So that's not what you want. So we have taken a everything except 1 so that we can measure how this function varies with x. And now a cannot take negative values as well. The reason for that is exponential function is actually the inverse of logarithm function. So if you take a log on both sides, what you get is log of f of x and x times log of a, and log of a negative value is not defined. So this a cannot take negative values. And similarly on the left hand side you get log of f of x. So this f of x should not be equal to negative as well. It should not have the negative values. So this a has been defined to go from 0 to infinity except for 1. This is how the graph looks like for a greater than 1, and this is how the graph looks like for a less than 1 but greater than 0. So this is your exponential function. And next is your logarithm function. So here you have your f of x equal to log base ax for all x greater than 0. As I said, the log function is not defined for negative values of x, and similarly it is not defined for its base. This is the base greater than 0 and equal to 1. So a can take only values greater than 0 and not equal to 1 by the property of log function. So its domain goes from 0 to infinity. X cannot take negative values, and the range can take any value. It can go from minus infinity to plus infinity. That is your log function. Next is your greatest integer function. We'll take that up in the next lecture. If you like our videos, we would want you to subscribe to our channel so that we can keep you updated with the same. Also, we have given our email address below the videos, so in case of any questions you have, we would love to hear something from you. So thank you so much.